Hi, and welcome to our new Blingers Slinging with E and J. I'm Erica, and in this video, I will show you how to upload your rhinestone SVG using the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I am using a Mac computer, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get started. So once you do open up your Silhouette, you go to your image. And I'm going to bring that a little bit closer so you can see. Go to open. Select your file. Okay, so some files. This is my template that I'm going to use. And it's already sized, so I don't want to, let me make a duplicate of this. Okay, so when you open up your template, you don't want to resize it because you're disturbing the stones, because the stones is already set for an SS10. When you disturb the stones, your stones will look like a SS16 or SS20. This will be too big and it won't look right. So again, do not resize. Get a little bit bigger, or if not, keep the size as is, okay? And this is going to be quick because I love Silhouette. And Silhouette, you know, you have different opportunities. So I have the business edition. Okay. Let me show you something else. So when your file have maybe, just say a different background color. Okay, so you see how this has a white background. You don't want to cut if it have a background color. But some of them do. Let me rephrase that. Some of them already have it set to where when you do cut, it'll cut the square around it. But in this case, I don't use the box. So I would basically ungroup it. Delete the box. And group my rhinestones back together. And then I will go ahead and mirror the image because, again, we're using faux stones. It's just a cheaper version of rhinestones. So it's just like you would press a regular shirt. But we're using a cameo to go ahead and make the circles. Okay. And for this one, I will go ahead and do the same thing. I will go ahead and ungroup it to remove the box from the background. make sure I have all these little squares here. It shows that everything is in line with grouping back together. So we're going to go ahead and group that. And then we're going to go ahead and go back up to the object, mirror, flip horizontally, bring that up. Then we're going to go to the side where the transform panel. We're going to go ahead and click that. And we're going to make sure we center the design. Well, it would have been helpful if I select the box and go ahead and center the design. Yes. So when I do send it to the actual Cameo, I go ahead and click send. I make sure I mirror my image because again, we're using a shirt, so we have to mirror our image, and we're using I'm using holographic tonight. But with any heat transfer vinyl or any holographic, any glitter material, you always have to mirror your image. Now, you don't have to mirror your image when you're actually doing rhinestones. I'm sorry. Yes, when you're the actual Cameo, you go to send. And you have to make sure that your design is lit up in red. Okay, so it's all lit up. So then you select the cut image, the cut tool. And then I choose for the holographic material. The holographic material, I use glitter. Now, glitter might be too thick, but at least I get my circles cut. I don't have to double cut again. And I just bring it down to maybe, just say 22. Okay. And I keep everything else the same. I don't mess with the force, the speed, how many pass, or nothing like that. So I don't mess with that. Okay, so when I go back to the design, I make sure that it's in the matte form within the matte. So I bring it down just a little bit, over a little bit. Okay, so now I'm about to feed the Cameo. Yes, I use the Cricut. Okay. Then I go ahead and send it. And the only thing that this is due, I send as is. I send as is because I already mirrored the image. Okay. So, and the only thing it's going to do is create the circles that we have in a design. Do we have any questions? Let's go back to the image here. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and post your questions in the comments below. I will post a link to the group and where to purchase the rhinestone SVG listed in the description box below. See you in the next video.